What do happy and successful people have in common? That would be the 7 mindsets. The 7 mindsets are based on a multi-year research effort into the happiest and most successful people who have ever lived. The 7 mindsets are the results of these efforts, a comprehensive plan for meaning, happiness, and success in one's life. Simply put, the 7 mindsets provide an unexpected blueprint for students to live extraordinary lives. Do you want your student to have increased self-determination and self-awareness? Maybe improved behavior or test scores, or even have greater confidence and engagement in school? If so, are you ready to help your student live their best life? Join us for a 7 Mindsets Parent Academy on Thursday, February 1st from 6 to 8 p.m. at R2I2, where you can learn the tools needed to teach your student the mindsets at home. But hurry, space is limited. Go to www.richland2.org/7mindsets to register today.